Hello, in this video I will show you how to add USDT on MetaMask. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is open your browser, then go to your MetaMask and then just simply click on buy right over here. And then a new platform will appear in front of you. Over here in the MetaMask portfolio page, all you have to do is firstly select your payment method, because depending on the payment method, the crypto will be available. Now, the best option for you to use for payment method is debit card and credit card, because when you will use this, most of the cryptos are available. But let's say you choose something else, like for example PayPal. The option will be much limited, as you can see right over here. But in the case of debit card and credit card, there will be a huge variety of options. Now, over here, all you have to do is simply search for USDT. And then all you have to do is simply click on USDT. And then after that, just simply enter your desired amount of how much you want to buy the USDT for. Like for example, $250. Just simply enter that, and then over here, it will show you how much you have to actually pay and how much USDT will you be getting for your money. Now, in order to complete this, you will need to go to a different browser where you will complete the payment process, and then within few minutes, depending on the payment method that you used, the crypto will be transferred to your account. Now, that's the first option that you can use to add USDT in your MetaMask. Now, the second option that you can try is, so for example, I have some USDT on Binance. Now, if you have something like this, you can also transfer USDT from Binance to MetaMask as well. Now, as you can see, I will have USDT right over here. Now, what you have to do is go to your MetaMask, then just simply click on this receive option right over here, and then click on copy, and then just simply go to the asset section, then overview. And after that, just simply click on the withdraw section right over here. Then choose the coin, for example, USDT. So choose USDT right over here. Paste the address that you just copied. And now choose the correct network. Then enter your desired amount right over here. And then click on withdraw. And then within few minutes, the crypto will be withdrawn and will be deposited into MetaMask. Now make sure to paste the network and the network type properly, because if you will choose this incorrectly, you will lose your crypto forever. Now you can also try this with any type of wallet as well. So like for example, if you try to do this on Phantom wallet, the options will be again very similar. In order to transfer USDT, just simply click on USDT, then send, then paste the address, then just simply enter your desired amount. And after that, click on next. And then you will be able to send your crypto from any type of wallet to MetaMask as well. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.